Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I'm your quant educator and today I will discuss the most expected questions for SBIPO. Basically, you know that I'm providing you all the questions related for the most expected ones. So in this segment, I will also discuss some of the very important questions. And you know that SBIPO has a standard. Okay, SBIPO means standard. So what you can do to match that standard, you will practice more and you will practice some really different questions for the really different situations. Okay, now let's discuss this. First of all, you should understand that in this video I'm going to discuss a caselet DI and don't go on my writing because I'm the quant educator. So caselet DI, all right, and some arithmetic portion as well. So let's discuss this video. I hope you will understand this. All right, friends, let's have a look at this DI. Data regarding number of graduates in studying various courses in University A and that in University B in the year 2001. University A and University B offered 6 courses named Commerce, Science, Engineering, Arts, Management and Law. And after that, you will see that the data belongs to University A has been given, and from here data of University B will start. So let's start this concept. Okay, so first of all, we know that University A and University B will have some total number of aspirants. Okay, and we know that the subjects will be come in between. So look at this: Commerce, Science, Engineering, okay, and then Arts, Management and Law. All right. So let's write down those static data which have been given, like Arts, Management and Law data have been given. Arts have 1300 people, Management have 1440 people and Law have 860 people respectively. And you know that graduates from Commerce, Science and Engineering, Commerce, Science and Engineering constitutes 60%. So let's count. That means this data must have been constitutes 40%. So let's count this data. 2700, 27, 25, 25 and 8 is what? Look at 27, 28 and 28 and 8, 36. So 3600 must be equal to 40%. So let's find out the 100% data. All right. That means 9000. This is 9000 data. All right. And from 40% belongs to 3600. That means this 60% must be belongs to what? 5400. Okay. We now have it. Commerce graduates. Let's find out. Commerce graduates were 25% more than that of engineering graduates. The questions will come, but first we need to make this chart. The commerce graduates were 25% more than engineering graduates. That means 5:4. Okay. Management graduates were 20% less than science graduate. So 4:5. Okay. 4:5. Now you know that this 4 ratio stands for 1440 because management graduates have been given as 1440. So 1 ratio stands for 360. That means the 5 ratio will stand for what? 1800. So we have figured out the data of science. And now commerce and engineering ratio has been given as well. So if you have removed 1800 from here, you have been left with 3600, and this 3600 must be divided in 5:4. That means 9 stands for 36. So 1 stands for 400. That means 5 stands for 2000. So 4 stands for 1600. So we have got all the data from what? University A. Now we need to find the data of University B, which is a complicated one. Okay, so let's do that. It's all about mathematics. You need to understand this. So after doing this, we have to erase because we have not been very good in the space at the moment. Look at this. In University B, commerce graduates were 10% less than commerce graduates in University A, which means it will be 200 less. So it will be 1800. Okay. Now let's start. In University B, management graduates were 900. So management graduates were 900. All right. And they constitutes 12% of the total graduates. So 900 equals to 12%. So let's find out 100%. 3, 4, 3, 3. All right. 4, 25 times. So 7,500 must be the graduates of what? University B. All right. Also, management graduates were 40% less than that of science graduates. So management graduates were 40% less than science. That means 60%. So ratio would be 3:5. So this 3 ratio must be equal to 900. That means 1 ratio equals to 300. So 5 ratio equals to 1500. So science graduates will be 1500. Okay. Total number of graduates in engineering and arts together were. Now let's find out this data. Total number of graduates in engineering and arts together were. Okay. Engineering and arts together were double that of total number of graduates in management and law together. All right. We know about management data, but how we are going to solve this? Now, ratio of engineering and arts has been given as 3:5. Now, it is the only problem law. Okay, so how you are going to solve this one? Let me elaborate you. Just watch it carefully. Okay, just watch it carefully. Look at this. You know that these three data combined will make what? 33 and 9, 42. So from 75, 42 will be subtracted. That means we have been left with 3300. This 3300 is equal to engineering, arts and law. Okay, 3300. And you know engineering and arts equals to twice of management plus law. That means from here we can find out the data of law. Okay, look at this. Management is what? 900. That means 1800 will be subtracted. So we have been left with 1500. So thrice of law equals to 1500. That means law equals to 500. Now this 500 will also be eliminated. That means we have been left with 2800, and this 2800 will be distributed in the ratio 3:5. Okay, that means 8 ratio equals to 2800. So 1 ratio equals to 8 3s are 24. Okay, 8 5s are 40. So 350. That means 350 will be multiplied in both the data. So we have got what? Engineering data as 1050 and arts data will be what? 1750. Okay, why? Because we can easily figure out the solution. Now we know we have all the data. So let me take the pick of this data. So in the next slot we can solve questions based on this DI. So I hope you all have understood this one. Did you get it? Just one thing you should remember, that calculate these three data and you will figure out the rest of the three data. All right, because you will be getting another equation. So guys, if you have got the concept, just press the like button. That's all you have to do to solve this caselet DI. Okay, let's move on to the question. Look at this. What is the, you can watch your table. Okay, because I have changed the page. What is the difference between the total number of graduates in management and law together? Management and law together in University A and that in the same course in University B. Alright, so we need to figure out. Look, management and law makes what? 15 and 8, 2300. Alright, from University A. Now from University B, it will be 1400. That means 900 will be the correct answer. So you will, it will not take much time once you solve the complete caslet, because the only problem arises will be the caslet. Now 3/4 of the total, 3/4 of the number of arts graduates in University A were female. 3/4. So arts in University A were 1300. So 3/4 will be like 75%. Okay, 3/4 were females. All right, females. Okay, if the number of female arts graduates in University A is less than that in University B by 175, what is the number of male arts graduates in University B? So they are asking about number of male arts. So first of all, we need to find out. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Okay, 975 were the female ones. All right, and you know that this 975 is what? Look at this. University A is less than, look at this, if the number of female arts graduates in University A is less than that in University B by 175, that means University B must have been 175 more. Okay, so 0 and 5 and 11, 1150. 1150 were the candidates who are what? Female. All right, from University B. And you know the total art candidates in University B were 1750. That means 600 candidates were from male. All right, so that's how you have to approach this question. Next, what is the respective ratio between the total number of graduates in engineering and commerce in University A and the same course in University B? Engineering and commerce in University B. So let's find out engineering and commerce in University A. It will be 3600. And engineering and commerce in University B will be what? 0582. Okay, so let's solve this one. 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 20. 3 19, 3 24. So 2419 will be the correct answer. It was a simple question. Next one. Number of science graduates in University B. Science in University B is what percent less than in University A? So first of all, let's compare science graduates. University B were 1500 and University A were 1800. So the ratio will be 5:6. So how much less? 1 less. From where? From which university? A. So we will compare it with A. That means 16 whole 2 by 3% less. Next, total number of graduates in all the given 6 courses in University A. Total graduates was what percent more than that in total graduates in B? We know that total graduates in A were 9,000. Okay. And here 7,500. So let's find out 15,6, 15,5. So how much? 1 by 5. 20% is the correct answer. So guys, this is the method of tackling a caslet DI. I have given you this concept so you can understand the theory and the method as well. Alright, so if you have got the concept, guys, must press the like button at once. All of you, and those who have not subscribed this YouTube channel must do it, because on this platform we will keep bringing all the data for you. Next one. What is the probability of forming word from the letters of the word impeach? It is one of the most famous word. It has become when the presidential election happening in USA, such that all vowels come together. Okay, so how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. That means all the probability is what? Sample point upon sample space. Alright, this is the probability. So sample point is what? Vowels must have come together, and vowels are E, A, what? I. Alright, E, A, I. That means among 7, 3 were vowels. That means 4 were consonant. Okay, 4 were consonant. If these 3 will become 1, that means your total data will become factorial 5. Okay, factorial 5, and these 3 will also arrange. Alright, probability. Vowels always come together, and it will be divided by factorial 7. Okay, because all the possible outcomes will be concentrated. So how you are going to solve that? 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 7 into 6. So 6 will be eliminated. That means 1 by 7 is the correct answer. Okay, look, you might get confused because 2 options were similar. So you don't need to worry about it. The answer is 1 by 7. Okay, so let's hope you have understood the concept. Next, sum of A and B's age 6 years ago. A and B's age 6 years ago was 88. A's age 18 years ago. A's age 18 years ago is equal to, A's age 18 years ago is equal to B's age 6 years ago. That means another segment will be arrived. A minus B stands for 12. Okay, and here 6 years ago data has been given. That means if we add 6 years, their present age sum will become 100. Now the difference has also been given as 12. Now you can solve it. Twice A is equal to 112. That means A is equal to 56. So if A have got 56, that means B must have got 44. Find the age of A 2 years hence. So 2 years hence will be 58. So your option, what? D is the correct one. Got it? Move on. Next, in a box there are 6 blue, red, X and 10 green balls. Probability of choosing one red from the given box is 1 by 3. So the ball has to be chosen 1, but the one ball must have been a red ball. Then find the sum of red and blue ball. Okay. How we are going to do that? Probability is equal to sample point upon sample space. So sample point is from what? The ball has to be, the condition has to be that the ball is red. So from red, that means XC1. Okay, XC1, because we are getting the X balls. Now the whole balls will be 6 plus X plus 10 divided C1. Okay, this will be because we are selecting the balls. That means X upon 6 plus X plus 10 equals to 1 by 3. So let's figure out the value of X. 3x is equal to 6 plus X plus 10. That means 2x is equal to 16. That means the value of X arises 8. Now we have got red balls as 8. Now we need to find red and blue balls. Red and blue makes 14. That's why your option A will be the correct one. So I hope you all are enjoying this concept. Next, train A of length 120 meter can cross platform of length 240. Train A length 120 can cross platform of length 240 in 18 seconds. That means the speed must have been like S. And this one will be stationary. Alright, this one will be stationary. That means the whole length of train as well as for platform will be added. And that will become 360. Okay. And it will be divided by 18 to get the speed of train. So it will come as 20 meter per second. Alright. Okay, the ratio of the speed of train A and train B has been got. So train A and train B speed ratio is like 4:5. And you know, train A speed has arrived 20. That means we need to compare it by 5. Okay, that means the train B speed will be 25. So they are asking about find the length of train B if train B can cross a pole in 12 seconds. So with 25 meter per second, he took 12 seconds to cross the whole pole. And if you're crossing a pole, that means you are getting your length. So length of train B will be like 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24. That means 300 meter. All right. So guys, that's it from my side. I hope you all have enjoyed the session. So press the like and subscribe button at once, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon, you will keep getting all the notification on the upcoming latest videos. Okay. So till then, keep watching Entri. Thank you.